Okay, hey, here we're going to have some application problems. So we have Jason can water all the plants at the botanical garden in 32 minutes. Celia can water them in 25 minutes. So if they work together, about how long will it take them to water the plants? Well, it's not going to be between them because this should be faster than 25 minutes. So what we know is this, all right? One of them Jason can do it in 32 minutes. So I'm going to put X over 32 because X is going to be our time. So you can do it in 25 minutes when you use X over 25, and together they're going to complete one task. So this is the part of the fraction of the time it takes him to do it and her to do it. So what I need is a common denominator. I'm just going to take 25 times 32. Notice the 32's cancel. So I have 20 and 25's cancel here. So I end up basically with 25 plus 32 equals what 25 times 32 is, which ends up being 25, and you add 32 together, makes 57x divided by 57, which basically means it will take them 14.035 minutes to do that. So let's do one different. It's a little bit different. So you've gotten a hit 12 times out of 60. So you want to know how many consecutive hits you have to get to raise your batting average to 36% or 360. All right. So here we go. Got our baseball coach right there. So what happens is this here. I had X over 60. This is the number of hits I have. Now, I hit 12 times. So I'm going to add a number to this, and that same number I'm adding to the 60 to get until I get to the percentages of the 0.36. 36% is 0.36. So the way I'm going to solve this is multiply side by X plus 60. This cancels. So then I'm going to do distributive property here. And so I end up with X plus 12 equals 0.36X plus 21.6 minus 0.36X to each side. So I only have X on one side. I'm going to minus 12. And then I'm going to divide by 0.64. And I find out that I need 15 more hits in a row to get my batting average to 360 from where it is. All right.